ETL processes are crucial for data analytics and business intelligence as they ensure that data is accurate, consistent, and ready for analysis. ETL stands for extract, transform, and load. It is a process used in data warehousing and data integration. Extract is the first step, which involves extracting data from various sources such as databases, files, or APIs, and that data can come from multiple formats and sources. Second, transform. Once the data is extracted, it needs to be transformed into a suitable format for analysis. This transformation includes cleaning, filtering, sorting, aggregating, and enriching the data. Load. The final step is loading the transformed data into a destination, typically a data warehouse or a data repository, where it can be analyzed and used for decision making. There are many ETL tools available in 2025, each catering to different needs. Here are some of the most popular ones. Informatica Power Center. It is a powerful enterprise-grade ETL solution. Talent Open Studio, a widely used open source ETL tool. Microsoft SQL Server Integration Services, a robust ETL tool for SQL Server users. IBM InfoSphere Data Stage is designed for high-performance data integration. Oracle Data Integrator is ideal for large-scale data processing. SAP Data Services, a comprehensive ETL tool for SAP environments. AWS Glue, a cloud-native ETL tool optimized for AWS. Azure Data Factory, it is a Microsoft's cloud-based ETL solution. Next, Google Cloud Data Fusion, a fully managed ETL service for Google Cloud. Each tool has its strengths depending on your requirements, such as cloud compatibility, real-time processing, or ease of use. ETL tools are widely used across industries for various data processing tasks. Here are some common use cases. In data warehousing, ETL tool used for aggregating data from multiple sources into a centralized repository for analytics and reporting. In business intelligence, ETL used for cleaning and transforming raw data to generate insights for decision making. In customer data integration, that is for combining data from different systems to get a unified view of customers' interactions. In IoT and sensors data processing, it is used for collecting and structuring real-time data from IoT devices for monitoring and predictive analysis. In healthcare and patients record, ETL tool used for integrating patient data from various sources for research, treatment planning, and for compliances. In financial data processing, ETL used for extracting and normalizing financial data for fraud detection, forecasting, and audits. In cloud migrations, that is for moving on-premises data to cloud platform while ensuring format compatibility. In social media and marketing analytics, it is used for aggregating data from social platform, websites, and campaigning to analysis trends and engagement. The power of ETL lies in its ability to automate data flow, ensuring businesses have accurate, reliable, and timely information. ETL processes comes with several challenges, especially as data complexity and volume increases. Some common obstacles are data quality issues, that is, inconsistent, incomplete, or inaccurate data can lead to errors in transformation and analysis. Next, scalability. Managing large volumes of data efficiently without performance bottlenecks. Next, real-time processing. Traditional ETL processes are batch-oriented, making real-time data integration challenging. Next, compatibility and integration. That is, connecting with different data sources and formats required robust connectors and adaptability. Error handling and debugging. Detecting and fixing errors in extraction and transformation can be time-consuming. Security and compliances, that is, ensuring data privacy, encryption, and regulatory compliances, etc. Next, cloud versus on-premises migration. It refers to transforming from legacy system to cloud-based ETL while maintaining reliability. Next, cost management, which is optimizing ETL infrastructure to balance performance and expenses. Many modern ETL tools attempt to address these challenges with automation, AI-driven insights, and cloud navigate infrastructure.